Everybody hi. Today's topic, the pattern that outlasts the brain. When medicine reaches its limits, neurodegenerative disease commits a unique cruelty. It erases a person before it ends the body. No current treatment can stop the molecular cascade, amyloid buildup, synaptic loss, network collapse that gradually dismantles memory, language, and personality. Once biological repair capacity is exhausted, preserving identity demands an entirely different strategy. Scaffolding the mind. Medicine already replaces failing biological functions with engineered ones: pacemakers, cochlear implants, neural stimulators. The next frontier applies this same logic to cognition itself. A cognitive prosthesis would act as semantic support structure. An AI system trained on yes of an individual behavioral and cognitive data, capable of supplying corrective cues, reconstructing intended words, and reinforcing coherent decision-making as the brain falters. Not a generic assistant, a functional extension of a specific person's mind. Mapping the self before it fades. Building such a system requires deliberate preparation while the individual is cognitively intact. Cognitive baselining documents how a person reasons, resolves dilemmas, and expresses values. Digital phenotyping captures longitudinal behavioral data, speech, writing, decisions, to model enduring traits versus temporary states. Together they produce a high-resolution blueprint of identity. A finite bridge, not eternal presence. Any post-biological continuation must have a defined endpoint. A digital successor can assist families through grief and practical complexity, but must then deactivate. The living deserve freedom from permanent algorithmic ancestors. Dignified finality is not failure, it is the ethical condition that makes this technology worth building. Thanks for likes and sharing.